What's up, guys? It's Andrew with another episode of Backwoods of New England. Sorry it's been a while since I posted a video. I've had a lot going on and ended up hurting my hand, so I wasn't able to do much. So today I picked up a new handgun and I thought I would do a little review on it. So, came in a box here. It's a Taurus. It's the 856 model. So inside the box, got pamphlet, a little warning, pretty decent sized owner manual, the gun, and have a lock for it. So the handgun is just inside of the box here in a little plastic bag. It comes with a little orange cylinder cover. I'll show this to you. It is empty. So the 856, unlike a lot of the other Taurus snub-nose revolvers, this is a 6-shot rather than a 5-shot. It's chambered in .38 special. I believe it has a 2.5-inch barrel on it. I got the black with the black rubber handle, the no-slip. It could be shot either a single fire or you could shoot it double action. It's got a pretty heavy trigger pull when you're shooting it double action. It's got a very light, crisp trigger when you shoot it single action. It's set up for a right-handed shooter with the cylinder release, and overall it looks like a really nice gun. It's quite light, so I'm not sure how that's going to affect the recoil until we shoot it. But so far it's a very nice looking little gun for the price. I only paid $300 for it at a local gun store. So, alright guys, so this is going to be the first time of my shooting my new Taurus 856 revolver. And I'm just going to be shooting this MagTech ammunition. It is in a 125 grain bullet. Alright, first time shooting my Taurus 856. Alright, so first impression is it has quite a bark and a bite to it. We'll go over and see how I did shooting. Alright, so I didn't have a target, so I was just using a pizza box. It looks like 2 of the shots went high, and then the other 4 were pretty decent group. And that's from over by that pine tree, so it's about 15-20 feet. But overall, for being a $300 gun, I am pretty impressed with it. Alright guys, so that is my review on the Taurus 856 revolver. Am I going to replace my Glock with it? I don't think so. Probably not going to be carrying this daily, but it's a great backpack gun for me, or if I need something just toss in my glove box, it's a perfect option for that. I wouldn't frown on carrying it daily by any means. If you're comfortable shooting it and you've done adequate training with it, it would make a great carry gun. It's just not personally what I'm going to carry. For the $300 I spent on it, it was absolutely worth it. It's a great gun for what you pay, and I have nothing against Taurus. I know a lot of people don't like Taurus. I have never had any issues with it. They've always been a decent brand as far as I'm concerned, so I would definitely recommend picking up one of these if you want a nice, inexpensive little carry gun or just a backup. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be trying to do more videos a lot like this in the near future. See you in the next vid.